Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General haul and a Five Below haul. I did pick up the Believe Beauty Face Toning Mist. I'm actually really loving this. I've been using it for a little while now. I picked that up for only $3.50 for 6 fluid ounces, and the mist is very fine and I like this. I picked up a fall tablecloth for $1. Super duper cute. I'm going to use this for a backdrop. And I did pick up 2 candles from their fall display. I got coffee and donuts from their Perfect Harvest line. $4, they're 1 wick. And then I picked up pumpkin pie. And that is all I picked up at the Dollar General. And at Five Below, picked up a few very fun finds. The Pez Dispenser, and it's a little Dracula. This was $2. And I always put Connor together a Halloween kind of bucket because we don't go door to door trick-or-treating. And so I always put him together a cute little basket. And the pop-ups, and this is a sucker holder. It's a sugar skull. And this was $3 also for that. I think I'll probably go ahead and let him have this half skull glow in the dark mask. They had black and white as well, and this was only $1. And I also picked this up for his Halloween bucket, or to put back as a stocking stuffer. I haven't entirely decided, but most likely Halloween. And it's the Treasure X Monster Gold, and these were all sold out at Walmart, but I did find that at Five Below for $5. And a super duper cute fun find at Five Below is this pet hoodie. And I picked this up for Oscar. It was $5. Gray hood. A beautiful olive green hoodie with a gray pouch. And it says love is the adventure. So cute. Even has a spot for a leash. And it's very soft and fleecy on the inside. And it has Velcro on the belly of it. And I actually went there for the Goosebumps shirt, but they did not have the Goosebumps shirt. So instead they had these Beetlejuice shirts, and Connor loves Beetlejuice. And so I picked him up this Beetlejuice shirt. It has a sandworm, has the house, the husband and the wife. It says Beetlejuice on it, and it's bright and colorful. It's soft cheese material. And for $5 you can't beat it. And one and last final item I did pick up in the makeup section. Actually, the makeup section was pretty cleared out today. Don't know if that means that they're just sold it all, or they're getting ready to clear out and add new things. Not sure, but I did pick up the Ellie Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. And I picked it up in vanilla. I've been wanting to try this. So, I'm glad that they had a shade that I believe will work for me. And that is my Dollar General and Five Below haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Made you want to go shopping. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.